I spoke to Lois. I'm sorry about what happened. Maybe she'll get used to the whole dual identity thing someday.
Yeah, like when? When the earth cracks open and time ticks backwards? I don't think so.
For your love, for your love, for your love,
I'd give you everything and more, and that's for sure.
for your love,
I'd bring you diamond rings and things right to your door.
for your love,
To thrill you with delight, I'd give you diamonds bright. There'll be days that will excite and make you dream of me at night.
for your love, for your
For your love, I would give the stars above. For your love, I would give you all I could.
For your love, for your love, for your love,
I'd give the moon if it were mine to give.
for your love,
I'd give the stars and the sun before I live.